summer has come. I don't know how long it will stay, but we have to make the most of it. So today I will make somen salad by using these somen noodles. Can you see? Somen noodles are much thinner than udon noodles, and it's really easier to cook, and it requires only 3 minutes, and it's widely eaten in Japan as cold dish. So I will mix this somen with vegetables and umami rich soy sauce tare. Oh, I broke it. Umami, yes, umami is said to be the fifth taste discovered by Japanese scientists. So other tastes are sweetness, bitterness, sourness, saltiness, and umami. But it's not really discovered. You can find it in almost every food ingredients. So you can find it in meat, pork, beef, chicken, fish, and also you can find it in mushrooms. You can find it in vegetables. Umami rich vegetables are tomato, so I will make tomato. I will use tomato today. And then by mixing those different kind of umami from vegetables and fish today, so you can create a synergy and multiply the depth of flavor. So let's try making. Tasting time now. いただきます。I usually slap this. That's how you eat in Japan. But anyway, cannot take this. Okay. I like the kick of wasabi, but if you don't like the hotness of wasabi, you can just reduce the amount, or you don't have to use it at all, of course. So it's a mixture of umami is working well together, creating so much depth. Umami from tomatoes and tuna, and then asparagus, and then soy sauce. These are combination really heavenly. Enjoy and see you next time.